I want to give you some ideas, even if you're not monetized, how you can monetize your content without being part of the YouTube partner program. Because there are still plenty of ways. You see all these videos about how YouTube changed my life with a small channel. I'm an example of that. So there are a lot of things that you can do with your content, and I want to talk about that. Whether you realize it or not, like, your YouTube content library is a portfolio. You know what I'm saying? Like, the number one way for you to make money off of YouTube, like absent of YouTube, is just like by posting more work, posting more videos, being consistent, being committed. And I know that's, you know, everybody says that, but no, I'm serious. You know, for a person like me, you know, I'm a photographer, I do filmmaking, all those different types of things. And so number one, people see the type of edits and all those things I do. It's like, yo, do you offer editing services to other people? You know, when people see me go live and they see my live streams, yo, do you offer coaching or consulting to be able to do that? You have coaching opportunities, you have consulting opportunities, you have service opportunities to where if you're good at what you do and people love what you do, whether it's just they love your style, they love your confidence, or they just love the production or the presentation that you do, YouTube is a portfolio for you. So that's number one. That's really the biggest thing, probably the biggest way you can actually make money without, you know, having a small channel, without necessarily being part of the partner program. Number two, all right, this is probably going to be one of my favorite ways, but do you have a product that you actually sell? Have you written a book? You know what I'm saying? This is kind of the second way that you can really make money as a small channel. You know what I'm saying? Because the thing is, if you already have a product, say you're like an author or you've written something, you know, now you create content around that. And if it's content that people want to see, people are more likely to probably buy the product or the service that you're offering. You know, so I tell anybody, I'm like, if you're an author, you know, if anything that you sell, build content around that. And YouTube is one of the best ways to do that, because even still with that, while you're trying to basically sell more products, sell more services, you're also building this content library, which is going to open up doors to do other things. You know how many females I know that started YouTube channels for fashion and beauty, and now they get tech deals with like Apple, Samsung, and all these communities, all of these big companies, because their content was so great, and people were trying to figure out, okay, oh my God, I want to start a YouTube channel too, but your camera looks so amazing. Your microphone looks so amazing. And this is going to lead into the third thing, the third way you can make money. Like, what are you using? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you know what I'm saying? You do not have to be a big channel to have affiliate marketing. You know what I'm saying? Like YouTube, Ecamm Live. You can be in can I give you a gem? You don't even have to use Ecamm to be an Ecamm affiliate. I probably shouldn't have told you that, but hey, when people see you go live, when people see me go live, they're like, yo, oh my God, what are you using? I'm like, I use Ecamm Live. You know what I'm saying? Now I can make money off the affiliate, you know what I'm saying, by giving you, you know, a 14-day free trial. And if you want a 14-day free trial, I just don't go live. I record all my videos with Ecamm Live to give you the quality that I'm giving. Link down in the description. That's number one. I'm also able to offer a consultation to help you get set up and to help set up Ecamm for you. That's another bag. Amazon, you know what I'm saying, affiliate influencer program. So when you ask me what kind of camera am I using, it's one thing for me to tell you, it's another thing to send you the link. And if you're a big enough creator, you may have affiliate opportunities with B&H or other software companies. Like you may have like Riverside, you know, you may have an affiliate with them, or Canva, you may have an affiliate with them. It's just, there are so many ways, so many opportunities. So number one, use YouTube as your portfolio. You know what I'm saying? To put yourself out there for other people to see you. And if it's great, if the content is great, there will be buy-in. You know what I'm saying? That's number one. Number two, build content around a product or a service that you're actually selling. You know what I'm saying? That's number two. And then number three, affiliate marketing is probably the simplest and quickest way you can actually really start making money today, even with a small channel, without being monetized. So hopefully I was able to provide some value to you. Let me know, you know, are you monetized? You know, what has your experience been like being part of the partner program? Are you right now just at kind of like the 500 subs, 3,000 watch hours, you know, expanded access? Are you using super chats and shopping and all of those different types of things? If you want to know how I set up my own shop, you know, how I'm able to sell t-shirts and products and digital products and all these other types of things, absolutely. Let's engage. You know what I'm saying? Let's do that. Let's have that conversation in the comments. And before you even go, like, if you're really just trying to, you know, get to that point, if you're saying, "Ooh, I can't wait till I get to 500 subs. Ooh, I can't wait till I get to 1,000 subs. Oh my God, it seems like the watch hours is the hardest thing." I've got something free I actually want to give to you, which is a free quick start guide. Because here's the thing, if you're trying to reach everybody, you're going to reach nobody. So if you're making videos for everybody, you're probably going to end up not actually getting views at all. It really doesn't matter if you don't know who it is you're creating content for. And so I put together this free quick start guide called the Content Whistle. You know what I'm saying? And it's built in, and I wrote it built on the premise of, when you blow a dog whistle, only the dog can hear, you know, the sound and the frequency and the pitch of that whistle, and they immediately come to you. Well, I want you to blow your content whistle so that the audience that's been assigned to your voice immediately recognize, oh my God, Walt's blowing his whistle. Pause. Yeah, that was about to take a real bad turn, but Walt is blowing his whistle. Let's hear what he has to say, or, you know, let's come and pay attention to see what's going on. So listen, I'm gonna link that down in the description. You see it on your screen, but I'm gonna link it in the description. It's free. The only thing I ask for is your email, so I'm gonna give that to you. Hopefully that helps you. But aside from that, you know, if you got any other value, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click that bell so you can be notified every single time I post more content like this on my channel. But until next time, I'll see you guys in one of the videos you see playing on your screen right now.